There's a type of product image that actually stops people mid-scroll, makes them click, and then, most importantly, makes them buy. It's called a hero shot. And it used to cost thousands of dollars to produce, but not anymore. Okay, folks, so I'm super excited today to talk to you about what the hero shot preset inside of InVideo.io actually is. If you're doing things the quote unquote traditional way, you need way more people involved. Creative directors, art directors, photographers, in order to turn a simple photo into an acceptable ad-ready campaign image. Advertising Studio, which we're going to be showing you today, only requires you, and that's going to be changing the tradition. Now, as you can see, top right, we are logged into our account here, and this is the Advertising Studio here. We're going to click on Advertising Studio. All right, folks, so now that we have clicked on the free Advertising Studio, again, reminding you that you can go ahead and try that right now for free. Links in the description. We've got all the different labels here, but here, this is the one we want to try today, the hero shot. Free, as we can see. We're going to click on that as an example. A perfume. Create that project. As we see, the hero shot trend is there. Okay, so what I've done, I've uploaded our plain image of the perfume that we do want to market. But using the hero shot template, we can actually paste in our detailed little brief there. Campaign hero shot for a unisex woody fragrance, deep black background, single dramatic spotlight from above, catching the glass stopper, smoke or mist effect at the base, cinematic, luxury, editorial, feels like a print ad. So we're happy with that. We're going to hit unlimited for the generation and we're going to let that come through. All right, so as we can see, this is seriously impressive. Go to the before image right here. That's the before image that we can see, and look how good this is. Okay, so, and what's really cool is, you can use the video here, which is great. You can take the actual shot there and the actual image there. But if we just have a look at that, it's got creative direction. It's creating an atmosphere. We've got that lighting coming down from the top. The strong brief was really accurate here. We've got the charcoal like wood fire in the background. Focus is really on the front. All right, so the next one we're going to be showing you guys is the 360 product video. So again, we're still on Advertising Studio. We're going to click on 360 product video. We're going to create the new project. We're going to call this one supplements. We're going to show you another example. All right, so we've got the plain protein powder tub here, just a basic image. Prompt is smooth 360 rotating video for a premium protein powder tub, clean gradient background in charcoal and silver, slow rotation, sharp studio lighting, catching the label detail, professional and athletic. So let's go ahead and generate that right now. Okay, so as we can see, it's come through and let's have a look. So let's see. Nice. You don't actually have to upload every single image out of the 6, but you do need at least 2 for it to do that video generation for that 360 studio video. All right, so let's go have a look. This is basically the image that we uploaded, nice and simple, and have a look at how crisp this 360 video is. Yep, it's getting the 360 rotation, the nice clean background. All right, so the next segment we're going to be looking at inside of, again, Advertising Studio, this one right here, catalog photography. So we're going to go ahead and start a new project here about jewelry. We're going to give you an example for some jewelry. So we create that new project. Okay, so we've got our strong brief here, lifestyle catalog shot for a minimalist gold chain necklace draped on a smooth cream stone surface, soft natural light from the left, a small dried flower beside it, clean, feminine, premium jewelry editorial feel. This is our base image right here. As we can see, nice and simple. Let's go ahead and generate this. Make sure you've got the trend set there, catalog photography, and that's going to go ahead and do our generation. All right, let's take a look here to feminine. That's great that it's actually used an attractive woman in there. Powerful gold chain. You look at that and just go, wow, I just want to buy that. Really nice. Now, what you got to realize, folks, the images and videos that we have just shown you right here are going to be just extremely costly to do the traditional way. We're talking thousands of dollars. We're talking multiple people involved. We're talking high levels of stress, and we're talking long duration, maybe a week or more to actually get that completed. You can do it now by yourself without any profound expertise at your fingertips for free. And if you want to stack up your volume, you can get that pre-paid plan going. Upload your product photo and see what the creative director in Advertising Studio can do for you. It's pretty profound. You've seen the proof. Now, what you got to realize is that a hero shot isn't just a photo. It's a campaign image. It pulls emotion. It makes the client want to buy. It creates identity. It really does carry emotional weight and impact all in the one place. The creative director really does understand this distinction. It doesn't just simply light your product cleanly, it gives it a whole identity and brand direction, and in turn making a real statement. Composition, negative space, lighting, drama, background. Every decision is made to optimize visual impact, not just product clarity. This is essentially the image that's going to be going on your website homepage, your landing page, as well as your out-of-home brief. You got to realize it has to stop people to get them to buy. Now, folks, a traditional hero shot requires mood boarding, planning, a location, all of the different people to work, do the lighting, everything. It really is a lot of work, but just not anymore. For basic routine images, brands usually spend thousands and wait weeks. The creative director on nvideo.io does this with one simple image in seconds. For your brand, product, or campaign, this essentially removes the biggest bottleneck and allows you to try multiple items for a fraction of the cost more efficiently. And where does that hero shot work the hardest? It's going to be on your website homepage. It's the first image that the customers see, and it's going to set the entire brand tone. Campaign landing pages are also really important area to actually have these done. Paid social, such as Meta or TikTok, they're also perfect for PR and press kits, making it professional at that editorial level. Not to mention out-of-home and print briefs, where you need to show some creative direction before committing to that full production. Your hero image is the most valuable creative asset that your brand has. It's the first thing people see and the last thing that people forget. Advertising Studio produces it from just one photo, completely free on InVideo right now. The link's in the description. And if you're producing hero shots at scale across multiple projects or clients, their paid plans are built for exactly that and come highly recommended.